Now I could take a vacuum cleaner and kind of suck this out, but one time years ago when we was racing, Nicky was cleaning an engine and he stuck a vacuum nozzle down in a spark plug hole and it sucked gas out and exploded the vacuum cleaner, and that was serious. People don't realize that where this gas goes down in there, you can suck gas back out of there and you can blow something up if you suck it into a vacuum cleaner, because that's got an electric motor in it. I remember that. It was one of those shop vacs, and it blew the lid off that thing and it went over the top of the car. Oh, that was pretty interesting. I might want to get, I don't know if I can do anything better than this, but I might want to just get a little stick with a paper towel, shove down in there, because I see a lot of nastiness in there. That might do well. Tell you what, it might not hurt to take a break now, about now. Let's see if we can see. That one's got a ring in it. That one's got a ring. I think they all got rings in them on this side. I got me a little crooked screwdriver here that I can get in there and get that out. Yep, see, there it comes. See, that ring, did you see it come out? It fell down in there, but it's not in there anymore. That's important. You don't want to, you can't shove a thing up in there if it's already got something up in it. You probably could have seen that one, but I dropped it once it came out. I got that one. Got that one saved. That's what we're pulling out, is these rings that go on top of those things. Now this one's all clean. This side's going to be a little harder to turn up because the gas line's on it, but maybe I can do it like this. Yeah, that works. That one's clean. That one's got a ring in it. Clean, 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 and clean. So I got 4 on this side that are clean. So the next thing I need to clean, or make sure it's clean, is these holes here. And I also want to, probably what I'll do is get me a wooden dowel stick, wrap it around a paper towel and shove it in there. Just woggle it around. And try to pull out anything down in there. That one looks okay. Oh, the joy. Yeah. I think I'm going to do that. I got some dowel sticks down in the banjo shop. I'll go get. It's a good time to quit. I mean, take a break too. I'm gonna turn y'all off. Get me some dowel sticks. Probably put some carburetor cleaner on it and put it down in there and clean that out. Each one of them out, and then we'll start the process of putting this back together. I might eat a sandwich and take a nap too before I come back. So we'll see. So the other thing I did was I looked at each one of these. You see that one? You see that ring right there? This one has one. Okay, see that ring? Right there. Right there. There's a ring on that one, a ring on this 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 one, and a ring on that one. So I've got all of my lower rings. Now up here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 that don't have rings on them, and I'm pretty sure I pulled 4 rings out of that metal, what do you call that? Whatever you call that thing up there. So I'm pretty sure I got all my rings out. I will clean that out. I'll probably might use some carburetor cleaner, squirt down in them holes. It will, anything that's in that hole will get flushed down in there, and of course it'll go through the valves and stuff. But if it's just greasy gunk stuff, it'll burn off and burn through, I believe, without any problems. So there's that. Okay, let's take a break.